Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here with Arla Real Estate. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 things I would do if I had $10,000 to renovate this condo before I sell it. And I do. So, with a $10,000 budget to fix this place up before we put it up for sale, and I have that, actually have more. Number one, I'm gonna have it cleaned out. Everything in here is gonna be cleaned out, minus some furniture strategically, because I would be cutting into my budget with staging money if I used a stager, professional stager. But so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use the furniture that I have. I do have some decent furniture. I have a couch, I have a few chairs, but most of it I'm gonna get rid of. I'll add a few little strategic implants. So that's number one. We're going to clean it out. We're gonna get out all the stuff. Number two is the flooring. I'm going to replace the flooring. I'm going to use a nice luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, except for the bathrooms. That would be separate. We've done this enough times in enough places that we've seen the difference in following this strategy. And number three, I got a neutral color, but I'm going to freshen up the paint. So I can get away with one coat. That's gonna make a huge difference. That will eat up all of my $10,000, every last bit of it. And with a little bit of help from the owners and getting the stuff out, we'll be there. And at $10,000, we'll now have a clean slate for somebody to come in and do the renovation on the cabinets and the countertops and the appliances they wanna do in the kitchen and the bathrooms. But they're not coming into a place where they see the flooring is off, the painting is off, and they feel completely overwhelmed. If I had a few extra dollars, I might change a few things with lighting, but I'm not gonna have that money. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I hope that makes a difference in something you were considering doing. You don't have to get overwhelmed, but the money will come back, especially when it's in this condition, meaning it's just super, super outdated. Pick your battles though. Which are the most important items? I'm telling you right now, the flooring and the paint and the clean out will be number one in getting the biggest ROI here. And I'm always looking for 100% plus ROI, and we will definitely get that. Always look at the key things. Give somebody a clean slate, and then you don't have to worry about not having the extra money. Yes, will I get more if I put more into it? Yes, but do the things that are gonna be kind of neutral, that give people a fresh start, to do the bigger stuff. All right, take care, have a great day. Hope you like this video. There are more like this here, and make sure you like and subscribe so you can check out the next video, because in the next video, we're gonna talk about what we do with $25,000 of budget, which we will have for this place. Subscribe, like, and check out the next video so we see what we do with that additional $15,000.